Hello everybody, hope you're well. Hope you can see me off of the bike. We're in the workshop today and this video is all about this, the Ulefone 27 Pro, and it's an armoured phone. And we're in the workshop because I've just been using the phone to actually set the timing on the motorbike using the protractor. So on this, I've put electronic ignition on it, and you need to get the engine on a compression stroke to top dead centre and then 38 degrees before. And I've used this protractor to work out the angle and it's worked perfectly. So it's more than just a heavyweight phone. With a big battery that'll take all sorts of knocks and bands. It's got a great camera on it. It's got a night vision camera on it. It's got good sound quality, picture quality is good. And of course, we've got one to give away as part of our Christmas giveaway video that we'll do sometime in December and announce all the videos at that. So if you want to learn a bit more about this, keep watching and we'll announce the winner of this in our Christmas video and we'll tell you how to win it later on in this video. It's got a number of different tools on this as well as compass, measuring. It's also got a really good torch on it as well. And I've been using that where I can't see with the light in here. Super bright torch on it. It's also got a bob weight, and you can even use it with the camera to line up to fit a picture or get a level against an horizon or whatever you're working on. I really am impressed with this. And this one, I have reviewed one of these before, and this one has the fittings on the side here where you can actually fit an endoscope. And this here just screws onto the side. There's a little screw you take out. You screw this onto the side here like this. That goes into there when you take the screw out. And that's brilliant for checking the barrels, the bore on the barrels on a motorbike, because it's got a little light on the end as well. So a fantastic piece of kit for being in the workshop. And if you drop it as well, it's military quality. If you drop it, it's going to last a lot better than some of the phones on the market. It's also waterproof as well. As I'm going through the video, I'll put a load of the specs down below as I normally do. They also sent me with this one as well, a protective case. So this back case that comes with it fits on the back, and it has a slide on there, and that slide you can fit a clip or a lanyard. So I think it would also be really good for being able to use on a motorbike as well. With it being this dust protective and waterproof, you could use that on your handlebars. The screen's over 6 inches wide and it gives you a really good GPS mapping system for navigating on your motorbike, and you're not going to be worried about getting it wet either. And with the size of the battery in it, it's going to last a long time. Let's show you what you get in the box. You obviously get the phone, and it does come with a screen protector on. Don't know if you can see that. It's got all my greasy marks on from using it on the motorbike. Instruction wallet, and in the instruction wallet you obviously get all the instruction books and your warranty card, and you get another screen protector, and this is a really thick one. It's good to see. A USB-C to USB-C charger, so it's on a modern charging cable. A pin to get your card slot out on the side to put your cards in. It comes with a European charger, this one. And I would say that's the only negative thing I've found about this. I'm obviously in the UK and I'd like a UK charger, but I suppose like me, most people have got chargers available. And that's all you get in the box. Oh, and a lanyard as well. And there's endless amounts of accessories for these. So the accessories the same with this one is this case, which fits on the back. And this slides in, which is a clip, or there's another slide on there with a carabiner on it. I suppose it just gives it a little bit more protection, but the main function is to have these clips on here. But if you check the link in the description, you'll go to their website and you'll see all the accessories they have. This is what they sent me last time, this endoscope, and I've used this a lot. It's a great piece of kit, really useful. And it also has a light on it as well, does that. And it uses this fitting here, which is on the side, and that's where it fits on. The phone itself has an on and off button on the side there, which is fingerprint recognition. Volume up and down. It's got a customizable button on the side there. The picture quality on this is really good, and I think if you're into gaming you can have a screen time of up to about 20 hours. So the picture quality on there is really good. You could easily watch a movie on that. I've also taken some video which I'll put in now. There's a couple of shots of photographs. We had a lovely sunrise the other day. This is one of the photographs, and I'll put those in now and you can see the quality of the camera on it. And I also took some video footage as well. The video footage as well is good. 1080p, perfectly great for YouTube. So if you want to use this for YouTube, it's absolutely fine. So if you want to record and upload to YouTube using Google software, this is great. And if you want to watch YouTube on it, the quality of the picture is brilliant. So I also put a clip in of the motorbike, and I'm pleased to report the motorbike's up and running now. So if you want to win one of these, it's our usual process. You need to be a subscriber. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. That helps as well. And we'll do another video nearer Christmas in December, and we'll do that hopefully quick enough to get these out for Christmas. So in the comments of this video, you just need to leave the words "I want one," and we randomly scan through searching for those words, and it'll randomly pick one. And in our December video we'll put a clip in of the winner's slide, and we'll contact you and communicate through my email address, which is onemanandhiswhippet@gmail.com, and we'll arrange this to get out to you. It's only for UK subscribers though, I'm afraid, because the price of postage is just ridiculous now. We'll cover the postage. If anybody else contacts you in any other way, it's purely a scam. We wouldn't ask for any money or anything else, so just keep an eye out for our Christmas video and you'll see who's won this, and if you're lucky enough to win it, we'll get it out to you as soon as we possibly can. But generally speaking, you know, this is a fantastic camera on here, and it does everything you would need it to do to use for YouTube, your holiday snaps, or in the workshop. I've used a couple of times this for taking close-up photographs or something, or sticking underneath the engine and taking a photograph. But the quality of it's real good. We'll put some night footage in now as well to show what the night camera footage is like. This is the night vision camera. Ooh. The dogs are down here somewhere and I can't see a damn thing. We get a torch out. There they are. Come on, you two. This works really well because I literally cannot see a thing out here. We live in the dark skies area. Hello. There's the other one. Just give you an idea and I'll put a torch on. And this is the standard camera with a light on. So I can actually see where I'm walking with the light because the light's quite bright. Ooh, pick up the reflections on their jackets. That's about all you can see. But all in all, it's a really robust camera. And as long as you've got the waterproof fittings on, you can actually, there's one on the top there for the headphone and there's one on the bottom, you can actually take underwater photographs with it as well. It does have an infrared programmable unit in it, so you can use it to have it as a remote control for your TV or any other sort of remote control devices. If you go to this setting here, you choose what products you want to link to, and it links to that product, and you use this as your remote control. So as well as TVs, it will do all sorts of other products as well. So as you see, anything that has an infrared, so TVs, projectors, fans, DVDs, air pumps, air filters, anything. So having this, you could have this in your camper van, say, and if you've got a remote control device, you can alter it by this. So I love it. Absolutely brilliant piece of kit. And as I said before, it'd be great on a motorbike either way around because it's so robust and waterproof. I'm honestly, truly impressed with this phone. And the other one I've had as well. They're brilliant pieces of kit and they're not ridiculously expensive like iPhones. If you check the description, there'll be all the information. There may be an offer, there may be an offer code, and I do update those as these videos go on. So as these are just coming out on the market, there may not be an offer, but in the future there may be. So if you're watching this in some time, just check the description. If I get an update, I'll put the update in the description, and you get a bit of a discount on one, hopefully. But what will they be used for? Great in the workshop. They're so robust. If you're a builder, or you work in a garage, or you want to go camping or climbing or out on your motorbike or for mountain biking, and you want a rugged phone that's going to survive knocks and bangs and do all the things you need and have a battery that's going to last long enough, this is absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. And even if it's not your main phone, having this as a separate phone to use for those activities is also great as well. Highly recommend them. I've had the other one for quite some time and it's well battered and bruised, but it's still working great. And I've got no faults with it whatsoever. So that just leaves me to say thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one. I get out on my motorbike if the fog lifts.